In front, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 through the P, 6, feel through the P, the knee, the tailbone, 7, back face on 8. Start from back, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, back through the P, okay? Work on, feel it, your stomach and tailbone, 5, 6, 7, front face on 8. Other thing up, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, passes 6, hold there, feel it, okay? Use your lower leg, squeeze the upper leg, okay? Hold high, okay? 7 and 8. And then we do encore, also slow, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. We do passe, releve, finding your center, release bar hold. And then développé, finding your center, release bar. Arm up, front. Swing the pin, right up. Back face, arm front. Head nicely. Swing the pin back. Feel the knee, feel your tailbone. Front face, side. Side. High passing. Feel the screen. And go up, front